What's up everyone, I'm Ron. We are here in the TST Industries garage, and today I've got a quick little product feature for yet another one of our TST WORX program products. If you are the owner of an R3 or an MT-03 and you are looking to ditch your passenger pegs for track use or simply just don't like the look of them, look no further than our exclusive TST WORX exhaust hanger bracket for your bike. Elegant yet functional in design, our engineers have created an extremely lightweight and extremely durable bracket for mounting your exhaust. Now, the bracket itself is CNC machined from a high-grade aluminum with a long-lasting black anodized finish, which ultimately provides an incredibly stealthy and race-inspired look. Upon further inspection, you will notice both our TST logo and WORX logo inscribed on the face, as well as some really intricate milling work in these recessed areas to unquestionably enhance the overall look and feel of the bracket. Now, you may notice this bracket was specifically designed to reverberate the styling of our WORX program sprockets with the machined and matted surface, as well as the overall geometrical features. You will also notice these mounting points are in fact slotted to provide as much flexibility in your options for mounting your exhaust. As you can see, it works quite effectively with the stock exhaust as well as this Yoshimura AT2 exhaust. But essentially, this bracket will work for just about any exhaust system that makes use of the Yamaha passenger peg mounting geometry. The installation is actually quite simple. You want to start by removing the OEM hardware, which will allow you to fully remove the passenger peg bracket, thus freeing your exhaust. With the TST WORX exhaust hanger bracket, you will receive a baggie of stainless steel replacement hardware, including 3 identical 6mm socket cap bolts, 3 identical washers, and 1 nylock nut. You will simply couple up all the bolts with their respective washer, and then replace these top 2 mounting points with 2 of the bolt washer combos. These will go into the threaded bosses on the bike frame, so just go ahead and engage the threads by hand to begin the initial mounting process. You'll then move down to the lower mounting point, which will again take another bolt and washer combo, which will ultimately be secured on the back with the provided nylock nut using a 13mm wrench or socket. As I mentioned before, these mounting points on the bracket are slotted to provide you some adjustability, so get everything hand tight, making sure there's no unnecessary pressure or pinching on any of these connections, and then you are pretty much done. Make sure you tighten everything down fully so there is no play in the system, and while you're at it, go ahead and ditch the left side passenger peg and bracket to bring this installation to completion. If you have a torque wrench handy, we do suggest about 15 foot-pounds on these upper frame connections. After removing both passenger pegs, you will quickly realize just how much unnecessary bulk and weight you have just eliminated from your bike. In fact, our bracket weighs a mere 1/4 pound, whereas each of the OEM brackets come in at a whopping 1 pound each. So, whether you're looking for weight savings, refined aesthetics, or maybe just need a replacement bracket to complement your new exhaust, look no further than the TST WORX exhaust hanger, available now at tstindustries.com. While you're there, check out any of the other parts we may offer for your R3 or MT-03 or any other bike you may have in the garage. Be sure to subscribe if you'd like to stay up to date on any new and upcoming WORX related products or any other fun and exciting content we may roll out. Feel free to drop a like or a comment below to let us know what you think about this product, and as always, thank you so much for your time. I'm Ron, signing out from TST Industries. Ride smart.